20% of new hires leave within the first 45 days, and in most cases, the culprit is the same: a disorganized, paperwork-heavy onboarding experience that makes people question their decision to join. Great onboarding starts before day one: pre-boarding packs, welcome kits, and a clear first-week schedule set expectations and build excitement. Buddy programs and team introductions create connection early when it matters most. Role-specific training plans ensure new hires learn what they need for their function, not a generic orientation that covers everything and teaches nothing. 30, 60, 90-day milestones with regular manager check-ins keep progress on track and surface issues before they become problems. The data is compelling. Structured onboarding improves new hire retention by 82% and time to productivity by over 60%. Organizations